Welcome to our video on how to replace a 2 or 3 position rocker switch in a vent-to-hood range hood when disassembling the hood isn't an option. Start by disconnecting the hood from power and taping off the area surrounding the switch to protect the finish of the hood. To remove the switch, carefully pull forward while applying pressure to the expandable clips on either side of the switch. Check each side to see which one can be compressed and pulled through the control panel the easiest. We're using a pocket knife, but a small screwdriver or putty knife can be used as well. Be careful not to let the wires slip back through the mounting hole. We're using a common binder clip to hold them in place, but you can also use a clamp, chip clip, or tape. Once the switch is released from the control panel, snip the wires and remove the old switch. Strip the wires so you can use wire nuts to connect the new switch. Be sure to use properly sized wire nuts for the connections. Make sure the switch is installed in the correct direction so that it's right side up as you stand in front of the hood. Push on both sides of the new switch until the expandable clips pop into place and the repair is complete.